In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use slash commands in Notion. Slash commands are the fastest way to add content and formatting without taking your hands off the keyboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up the menu, find what you need, and drop it into your page with confidence. Start by opening a page in your Notion workspace. Any page will do. Think of it like a blank canvas or a document you're already working on. Once the page is open, click inside the main content area. You should see a blinking cursor. That cursor is your starting point, and everything you add will appear right where it's placed. Now, type a single forward slash. As soon as you press slash, Notion opens the slash command menu. This is a searchable list of blocks and formatting tools you can insert. You'll notice a variety of options, from basic text and headings to lists, dividers, quotes, callouts, media, and databases. It's designed to keep you in flow so you don't have to hunt through toolbars. Take a moment to scroll through the available options. This is a great way to discover what's possible. You'll see recognizable items like headings and to-do lists, as well as powerful building blocks such as tables and images. Each option has a name and an icon so you can quickly understand what it does. Browsing for a few seconds helps you build a mental map, especially if you're new to Notion. When you know what you want, speed things up by typing a keyword after the slash. For example, try typing slash table slash image or slash to do to narrow the list instantly. You don't have to type the full word. Just start with a few letters and keep typing to refine the results. Notion matches common terms, so using clear keywords is the quickest way to find exactly the block you need. Once you see the command you want, select it to insert it into the page. You can click it with your mouse or confirm it from the keyboard. Notion will place the new block right at your cursor, ready for you to use. If you change your mind, simply backspace to remove the block or type another slash to open the menu again and choose something else. That's all it takes. Open a page, click into it, type slash, browse, or search, and then select the command you want. With a little practice, slash commands become second nature and dramatically speed up how you build pages in Notion.